Hare Krishna. Today our topic is why bad things happen to good people. There is one Jewish priest who wrote a book on this topic, why bad things happen to good people, because he had a very bad experience. His son died at a very young age because of a deadly disease called progeria. Then he asked, is God partial? But actually we see that there are so many people who are born very handsome, born very rich, born very healthy and in a very good conditions, and so many other children who are born very poor, very poverty stricken, very diseased condition, very weak. Why they are such indiscrepancies we see in this world? Is God partial? Sometimes we see that a person who is doing many nefarious activities like smuggling, drug peddling and other bad activities, they seem to be very rich and happy, and somebody asks, I am very nice person, I don't do any harm to anybody, I do good to others, but I seem to be suffering. Why God is doing like this? Is God partial? But actually God is not partial, because Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Sammoham sarvabhutani name dveshasti na priyaha ye bhajanti tumam vyaktya maite teshu chapyaham. So I am equal to everybody. I have no love for anybody nor hatred for anybody. I am equal to everybody. So then why such things are happening? So we have to consider, suppose a father has two sons, one is very strong, another son is very weak. Suppose if these two sons laughingly beat the father, father doesn't mind. But if the stronger son beats the weaker son, then the father punishes the stronger son, elder son. In the same way, when the living entities, when we do anything to God, God doesn't mind. But if one person does harm to other person, then God has to come into picture and rectify the things and punish the person who is harming the other person. So this is called law of karma. So in this law of karma, when we harm other persons, other living entities, then God punishes us. When we do benefit to others, when we do good activities, God rewards us. So it all depends on us, because God has given us free will. So every living entity, every soul has this free will, and then every soul has to use this free will and perform certain activities so that we don't suffer. Then if we perform good activities, we will enjoy. So it is said that if somebody is a very charitable person, then in the next life he becomes very rich. If somebody gives up eating meat, he will be born very handsome. And like this, so many list is there in Mahabharata. If somebody indulges in illicit sexual activities, he will have to suffer from diabetes. If somebody performs killing of cows and the brahmanas, he will have to suffer from tuberculosis. Like this, there is a complete list. So it is said in the scriptures that our material life goes on according to our destiny, whether it is happiness or distress. We cannot do anything, it comes on its own. But we can change the destiny by only one means, by surrendering to Krishna, because Lord Shri Krishna is the giver of results of all our activities. If you surrender to Krishna by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, He will take out all the list credit of our karmas and then take us back to Godhead. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.